there. What? 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 You got up there. You got to get down. Is the kitty in your way? Uh-oh. Oh, boy. He's pretty limber there. Uh-oh. Oh. Wow. Nevada. What? What? What are you needing? Are you needing some food? It's not even dinner time. It's lunchtime. I don't even know if it's lunchtime. It's like 11:30. Oh, you goofball. See, showing me your belly is not going to get you any food. Well, maybe it will. What do you got for me? You going to show me your belly? Ow. Nevada. You goofball. You little lover. What are you doing? What are you doing? You trying to dance for some food here? It's not even lunchtime. What are you doing? Nevada. 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 Are you enjoying the dryer? Maybe it's because it's warm? What is your major issue? What? You guys are all squirrely this morning. What's going on? Hey. Meow. Meow. Do you love the dryer? Huh? Do you love the dryer? Nevada. Oh, is that your dryer? Nevada. Hey. What's up? Can you say hi to Alexis? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Meow. What is your issue? God, are you fat? Look at that big back end. Look at that. What's that? What's that? What's that, huh? Look, I gotta zoom out. Can I zoom out? I don't think I can. Look at that. Look at that wide load. Oh. I bet if you were on the highway, we'd have to put big oversized load stickers on you. Right? You guys are not getting fed. See, now Bo thinks he's getting fed. Now Bo is standing outside the door, getting all upset. Aren't you, Bo? Aren't you, Bo? Do you think I'm feeding them? Huh? Do you think that I'm feeding them? Because I'm not. Yeah, I know. You think it's dinner time, but it's not. Bye. See, now he's all upset.